Within the last few days, I've been discussing on how you can trade using the H1 trading strategy. This strategy is so unique. Okay, so if you have been looking for an opportunity to milk the market right from here to here, okay, this does not work on a single asset. Okay, you can see it here also. Check it out. You can also see it here also. Check out how we are milking the market. Okay, also here this is even still going at the moment. Okay, and of course you can see this also. Okay, so if you have been looking for a way to do this all the time, or each time you are going into the market, then you should watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you how I'm able to come up with all these setup one after the other, so that you too can practice from your end and see how you can perfect it before you start using this strategy on your real account. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, because that is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so quickly guys, quickly, this is Ganex 1200, and this is on 1 hour time frame. There is one thing I have actually noticed on 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can easily get the direction of the train and stay within that train for a very long time. The only thing you can just do, or which I will advise you to do, is to make sure you trail it from the beginning to the end. In case you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you later on in another video. Okay, but for now, let me explain this same strategy to you guys. Okay, the strategy is actually the trend trading strategy. All you need to do is just to trade the trend. Go for the signal that supports the trend. That is the only thing you need to do. For instance, this has been on uptrend. We also traded it when it was uptrend. Okay, you can see trading it for a very long time like this. So it got to this resistance zone and was unable to break out above it, pull back and went back there again, still unable to break out above it. So I had to wait for it to switch into a downtrend. So we got the market switch at this point, and of course, the indicator, the custom made indicator I am also using, also switch into a downtrend. So this is like a double confirmation for me. Okay, and we got a sell signal at the beginning, so I had to wait for the pullback and pick up the second signal, because I needed to wait for the structural market switch. Okay, so and which happened around here. So when I got the second entry, okay, so I had to place my order, so set up my entry point at this spot and maintain the resistance zone as the stop loss, because this is very very important. You might be asking, if the strategy is so perfect, why am I still using stop loss? I didn't say the strategy is perfect. In short, there is no strategy that is 100% perfect. Okay, but this strategy will give you 80% accuracy level, and I'm so proud of it because I've been using it for a very long time. Okay, so stop loss is very very important. You don't have the full control of the market. You are not the only one in the market, so anything can happen in the market. So let's move on guys. So I put my entry point at this spot, stop loss right here, and I have some highlighted TPs right here for me. These TPs are huge. Even the first TP is so huge that it can take the whole day for it to be achieved. Okay, because each of these candles are 1 hour candles. Okay, if we should measure it guys, you will notice that it takes hours before we even achieve the first TP. This is like 23 hours. Like I said, it can take the whole day. Can you see? This is like 23 hours, 23 candles. You can imagine. So this is so amazing. However, that first TP alone is strong enough to give you a lot of profit. And even if you decide not to trade again, to close all your orders at that point, you have made a lot of profit at that particular point. But check it out, guys. Check it out. See, we achieved the first TP, second TP, third TP, and even the fourth TP. We have achieved the fourth TP already before this pullback, although I'm still expecting it to sell more. I want to see if it will break out below the support zone or not. If it does not, then it means that it is still very much on downtrend. So you can see how easy it is. Now let's check out other asset that we also traded throughout this week. Okay, this is another asset, gain X999, also on 1 hour time frame. It got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it switched into an uptrend, and we had our entry point at this spot after this pullback. Okay, we had our entry point at this spot, and of course, right here is our stop loss. We use the support zone as our stop loss, and we had some highlighted TPs, one, two. Wow, it has even achieved the third one. Okay, I'm just saying this. Wow, this is so amazing. So it has achieved the first TP, second TP, and the third TP. So this is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. And as it is, we don't know if this will continue the trend. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will continue. But if it does not, then definitely we might be having a structural market switch at this particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So which means we might be facing a downtrend right from there, and it will be another golden opportunity to milk the market down to the very end of the trend again. Okay, now let's check out others. Let's check out others. This is another one, guys. This is another one. We came in at this spot, and we had our stop loss right here, and of course, first TP, second TP, third TP. This is having four TPs, and of course, we have achieved all the four TPs. Also on 1 hour time frame, you can imagine how we are smashing back to back on this particular trade. Okay, so and of course, this is the fourth asset, paying X999. In case you want to still do more with this, paying X999. We started from here, and it is still on downtrend. I actually told us about this particular asset yesterday. Also, I updated us. Those that jumped yesterday, that jumped into it yesterday, they should have jumped in around here, and they would have been profit. Let's see how much profit they will have gotten so far. Okay, can you imagine if you had jumped in yesterday, you would have made 80,147 points. That's a huge profit already. That's a huge profit already. So this is so amazing, guys. So this is trying to achieve the third TP right now. We've achieved first and second TP already. So it's trying to achieve the third TP. And if it breaks out from here, then it should achieve the fourth TP, which will be the last TP for this particular asset. Okay, and of course the last asset, which is FX volume 80. We started trading this, I think, 2 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago. I can't remember because I am very sure I analyzed this. That was when it got to this support zone, and I told you once it goes up and gives us an uptrend signal, then we should jump into it, because this is giving us double bottom, and of course this is giving us a kind of W vibes. Okay, and this is also going on uptrend. There are a lot of confirmations here, which is giving us more assurance that we should go fully into it, and we should maintain this day as our support zone. Okay, so you can see it achieved the first TP. The first TP alone, achieving the first TP alone is so amazing. Right from, sorry, let me pick it up from the right place. Even from here to this region is giving us 24,000, okay, 244,003 80 points, 244,380 points. Okay, that's a lot of profit already. Okay, you know, FX volume 80 is a highly volatile asset. Okay, so it is a lot of profit already. So it has achieved the first TP, second TP after breaking out from here, and it has just achieved the third TP this morning. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. But it seems it is even going to buy more, because it's trying to break out above here. If it breaks out above here, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then it will come back down, and we might be experiencing a very strong selling opportunity right from there. But if it breaks out above this successfully, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today. And of course, if you love a content like this, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.